Hi, I'm Daniel from Carbonwurks and you join us here today for another Dissident Automotive part discussion. So we have a carbon fibre rear diffuser which is made by Dissident Automotive, and this is much like the other parts. It's a 2x2 twill autoclave carbon part, which gives you a very nice finish, superb fitment. It's OEM fitment, all like the other parts, so you don't need any glue sealants to get this to work. It fits like a factory part. You can see it's got some nice venturis here that go underneath the car, as well as obviously flaring a little bit wider on the back. So it's a really nice finisher to the back end. It gives more aggression, and when you look you realise how many venturis it actually has across the back, but it's quite subtle and it's still in an OEM way. So very nice part and finishes up the rest of the car. Personally, I would have all the kit. I think it needs it, but it's up to you whether you want these parts separately. This part, like some of the other parts, boot spoiler and front spoiler included, can be herringbone if you'd like, can be lacquered or painted. The options are yours, and we can get in touch and we can always do that for you. So we do offer fitting here in-house on the south coast of England. So we are a Dissident Automotive authorised dealer. So it means whether you want us to supply or fit it, that's something we can do. So very nice part, fits well, and it works well with all the other parts on the car. And yeah, very smart bit of kit. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys soon.